To my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies, job vacancies and fellowships and scholarships from different universities, governments of different countries and organizations. In the present video I would like to talk about career for M.Pharm, B.Pharm with MBA at BPPI, Government of India job. BPPI is the implementing agency for Pradhana Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana of Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. The objective of the scheme is to make available quality generic medicines at affordable prices to all. General Manager, Logistics and Supply Chain, Department Logistics and Supply Chain, age maximum 45 years, qualification MBA or PG DBM, experience minimum 18 years experience in logistics and supply chain management. Candidates having experience in same profile in government sector shall be given preference. Consolidated pay 90,000 rupees per month. Conveyance allowance 15,000 rupees per month. Telephone allowance 2,000 rupees per month. Other facilities, Provident Fund facilities as per norms. Group Mediclaim policy for 10 lakhs. Group Term Life Insurance of 10 lakhs. Group Accidental Insurance of 10 lakhs. Place of posting Delhi or NCR. Contract period 3 years. Contract shall be renewed on satisfactory performance. Job description: responsible for full control over logistics and supply chain system of organization. Responsible for maintenance of adequate stock levels at CWH, RWHs, PMBJKs, distributors and other identified places. Responsible for timely supplies to PMBJKs, distributors and other identified supply places to avoid stock outs. Ensure all rules laid down by the government authorized authorities are being followed in warehousing and logistics. Ensure smooth operations of central warehouse and regional warehouses. Ensure timely appointment of distributors or other required channels with the approval of competent authority. Resolve problems concerning supply systems, availability of medicines at CWH, RWHs, PMBJKs, distributors and other identified places. Responsible for integration between central warehouse, regional warehouses and kendras. Collaborate with other departments to integrate logistics with the business systems or processes such as customer sales and order management, accounting and participating in forecasting. Maintain metrics, reports, process documentation of stocks. Responsible to maintain government norms for storing medicines and safety norms at various levels with the help of sales and quality departments. Direct inbound or outbound logistics operations in operation with the end-to-end supply agency such as transportation or warehouse activities, safety performance or logistics quality management. Develop risk management programs to ensure continuity of supply in emergency scenarios. Develop emergency response plans to or procedures and implement organizational process or policy changes. Any other responsibility assigned by the management. And other jobs are General Manager, Procurement and Quality Control, Department Procurement and Quality Control, age maximum 45 years, qualification in pharmacy or MBA pharmacy or equivalent from reputed institutions or universities will be added advantage. Experience 18 years experience. And salary and conveyance allowance and telephone allowance are the same, and Provident Fund facilities as per norms. Insurance same, place of posting Delhi and NCR, So responsibilities are more or the same. And the next post is Deputy Manager Quality Control. Salary 50,000, conveyance allowance 7,000, telephone allowance 1,000. Provident facilities are as per norms. Group Mediclaim policy 5 lakhs, group term life insurance 10 lakhs, group accidental insurance 10 lakhs. Place of posting Delhi and NCR. And manager sales, age maximum 35 years, MBA or MSc or M.Pharmacy. Consolidated pay 60,000, conveyance 8,000, telephone allowance 2,000. And insurance as given in for the manager post. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you all the success.